Hello friends, in this video let us learn about basics of functions in R. We have seen that we can use several functions like install.packages and library to load packages, and these are those functions which are inbuilt in R, are already defined. But there are some functions which can be installed, and if we want to explore any function which we want to know, we may call help and read the user manual. So we may type help and the parenthesis encodes the name of the function. Suppose I want to know about the function class. I've written the name of the function class and I run this command. In the fourth pane under help, I can see the documentation regarding class function. This is the description, the usage, how can I use the function, the arguments, and the details about this function. I can access the same user file by typing question mark the name of the function. So when I run it, I can see the same documentation file here in the fourth page. There are some important points to note for functions. Like functions do not appear in the workspace, but you may use them. These are available in R, but we cannot see that in the workspace. Another important feature is we can evaluate the function when we use it with parentheses. So for example, if I type class and run it, it is not evaluated. It simply gives me that class is a function and it needs an argument x. So for evaluating the function class, I need to create objects which might be evaluated by function class. I am creating two variables here, x and y. I'm assigning a value of 1 to x and value of 4 to y. I can see in the workspace here that these values are created. Now suppose I want to know the class of object x. I can write class parentheses under quotes x and I run it. It says that it's a character. The function class can be evaluated only when used with parentheses. So here we have seen that class requires one argument, but there are few functions which don't even require one argument. For instance, ls. So when I write ls without any parentheses, then see what happens. It gives me the entire code, but it does not evaluate because it is not used with parentheses.